Dear 7th class student, this is second video of the previous one where we talked about five kingdom classification. I'm sure I'm just focusing above to show you how organisms are grouped into. From the basic concept map, you have noted down kingdom 1 Monera, which talks about bacteria. Then you also noted down kingdom 2 Protista. Then I mentioned also kingdom 3 fungi and kingdom 4 plantae. Okay. So now you are going to focus on kingdom 3 fungi and kingdom 4 plantae. Try to remember. By recalling the example only, you will come to know. I told you, you are learning first time. So you learn kingdom 1 deals with Monera and examples are bacteria. Then kingdom 2 deals with Protista. Examples are protozoa. If you have difficulties to remember protozoa, we always tell to our 7th class students, remember malaria. Malaria is caused by protozoa parasite. But students will respond, no sir, mosquitoes are causing. So we will make them to correct it. Mosquitoes are carriers. Carrier means it carries Plasmodium, that is a protozoa parasite, inside its stomach where it stores the blood. So with an understanding or remembering the example, you will study kingdom 2 Protista. Okay, you don't worry. At the moment you concentrate in this video particularly kingdom 3 fungi, which is elevated from kingdom 4 plantae. Okay, since we talked about a single character, you focus on how the kingdom plantae, that is fourth kingdom, on a single character it is divided or grouped. So I am grouping with a single character. Try to understand. And the character is flowering and non-flowering. Flowering means it gives flowers, and non-flowering means it doesn't give flowers. That flowers only leads to formation of fruits and seed. That you are going to study in the next chapter. So no problem, each one is connected in such a way you will try to understand part by part and in a holistic way later only. So now you note down fourth kingdom. Plantae is divided into Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Okay. Three group comes under non-flowering plants because they don't have proper structure. This is primitive plants because there is a theory as per the evolution or evolutionary theory or even Darwinism, the plants started migrating from water to land through unicellular like Euglena. Euglena still, you'll remember, it looks like animal but it has chloroplast. So that is the link we are calling. So you are remembering the point, you try to understand, but now you note down kingdom plantae is divided into Thallophyta. Thallo means thallus-like structure. That is why algae. Bryophyta. It is a combination of algae and bacteria. You are going to study. It's a composite plant. Then Pteridophyta. because this is shadow lovers. Because you remember ferns, we are keeping in the house as an ornamental plant. Even if the plant dry, looking like yellow, still we are keeping. Then you go, the next group is spermatophyta, the flowering plants. It is again divided into two, gymnospermae and angiospermae. So try to remember kingdom, fourth kingdom, plantae. Plantae deals with plants only because fungi is elevated and separated from plants because of the cellular structure. So you try to group under the kingdom 5 as it is given in the flow chart. The concept map is very easy, very simple. You simplify and write into 1 Thallophyta, 2 Bryophyta, 3 Pteridophyta, and 4th Gymnospermae, and 5th Angiosperm. Gymnosperm and angiosperms together comes under one group, Spermatophyta. Now you can take the description of 5 kingdom classification. So I move leftward so that you will write the point. Okay, here I am focusing. See, I ticked 5 kingdom classification. 3 characters are given and you note down Robert R. Whittaker. Who is Whittaker? Some taker is classified. According to him, this is a modern classification. So if modern classification is there, you will ask, is there any old classification? Yes. See, just above 2 kingdom classification given by Linnaeus. This you don't worry at the moment. Try to write down the points under 5 kingdom classification according to Robert R. H. Whittaker, 1959, classified into 5 kingdom popularly known. 3 characteristic feature you note down. Then come one by one. Kingdom Monera, you always pause command, use, so that you will write down. So I will say kingdom Monera or prokaryotic. Again the same character comes, not well defined nucleus. That is why they were given within the bracket, well defined nucleus absent. Absolutely go to kingdom 2 Protista. We talks about eukaryotes. So I underline write protozoa. You remember malarial parasite is a protozoa and mosquito is the carrier. Some algae including diatoms. All these are living in the freshwater or marine. So Protista. Then kingdom fungi. It's a special thing because the cell wall is made up of chitin, and that is why it is elevated from the kingdom plantae. They give separate kingdom. Okay. Then now kingdom 4th, you draw the plantae. Plantae means plants only. It is grouped into